Hi guys, so we're working on the 11 Pro Max right now. Same thing as usual. Go ahead and start taking off the 2 Penelope screws. I already preheated the glass, so I've loosened up the adhesive already. There's an adhesive around the border, you want to heat it up. Maybe use a heat gun. I use a heat pad. It's easier. But if you don't have a heat pad, you have a heat gun, you can use that. So we'll go ahead and take my Sesamo here. Get between the clip. Let's pop it open a bit, as usual. That's how I open my iPhones. Take my pick and just go around and slide it down. Get the Sesamo there. Get some adhesive in there. Get some ISO in there. Break up the adhesive. Open it up. So this is what we got inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wide tips. Make sure you turn off the phone. I turned off the phone already, so good to go. Same thing, iPhones with all their little screws. Pretty easy. So got the 6 there. Oh, no, one more. Right here. 6. Pop that shield out. Got another 2 down here where the battery is. 1, 2. Go ahead and remove that. Take that shield off. There's a battery connector right there. What we do is unplug the battery there. Find a little edge there and try to get in. Pop it up. Now we can go ahead and take off the 3 cables. Here, here, and here. 1, 2, 3. Separate that. Get this out of the way. Now you got 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. You got a Y tip. And should be 2 Phillips. One, 2. Pretty sure this is the factory screen, so I'm gonna lift this up. Pretty tight in here with elbow side adhesive, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat it up. I'm gonna take it over to the heat pad. I'll be right back. So it'll probably be on the heat pad for about 10-15 seconds. Let it warm up. If you guys find this video useful, feel free to like, subscribe to my channel. We're doing fixes all the time. I like to keep you guys up to date, and I have fun making these videos, trying to help you guys, especially for beginners. Just some tips and tricks on how to maneuver the phone, get in there, find some easy tips to fix things nice and quick in a proper way. Yeah, 1 sec. So we heated that up a little bit. What I like to do with these to release it is I like to get under this, the clip for the camera, and just kind of lift it up a bit, kind of pulls this off. And then I'll come around and I'll kind of pull that off a little bit. Get my little pick and go underneath the microphone and just kind of wiggle it out there. I use ISO. It helps a lot because it helps loosen up the adhesive. We'll get rid of that old screen there. We'll get our new one. Got to take off the battery plastic here. Oop. On this old screen, there's this little cushion there. Take that off. Transfer it over. I like to make sure nothing is missing. Then we'll go ahead, as usual, do everything in reverse. We'll put this cable back in. Got your microphone, proximity, got the proximity, earpiece, and your Face ID. So we'll put this back in. Y-tip screw here. One, and then your 2 Phillips. Two. And 3. So now all we gotta do is just plug it back into the phone. So we'll bring the phone back. I like to start with the big one, so we'll start with that. Clip that in. Plug the other 2 back in. Take your time there. Just clip in like Legos. When it's all clipped in, sure it's nice and tight. Plug your battery back in. Turn it on. See what happens. There she is, guys. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave them in the comments. As usual, anything you guys are looking to fix but you don't know how, maybe leave me a comment. I can maybe try to find the phone and do the fix for you. Or do the video for you, sorry. So we're just gonna check everything, make sure everything works as usual. So once it's good, we'll go ahead, put our shields back in. Two bottom screws for the battery shield. Go ahead and put our main plate back on, which holds all the other cables in place. Should be 6 of these. 2, 3, 4. So these videos are basically straight to the point, you know. I do it my method. There's many ways to do it, but the method I do it works all the time. Maybe you can adapt to it, or maybe you can just take what you get from here and create your own little system. Either or, that's how you do it. So everything's good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that to the top first, make sure it's nice and flat, and then we'll go ahead and clip everything in. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And we'll go ahead and put our 2 bottom screws back in. Difficulty level, probably 5. If you fixed a few phones before, this will be easy for you. If it's your first time, it's not too hard. So there we go, guys. Check it out. There she is. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. Like I said, if you enjoyed the video and it helped you out, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, follow me. I have more videos coming out all the time. And that's it for this one, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.